Tired of random pop-up ads showing up on your Samsung Galaxy phone? In this guide, I'll show you the best 2026 method to block annoying ads, stop ad tracking, and improve your phone's privacy in just a few minutes. No apps required. Start by opening the settings menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down slightly and tap on connections. This section controls your internet and network settings. Inside the connections page, scroll to the bottom and open More Connection Settings. Here you'll find an important feature called Private DNS. Tap on it to continue. Now select Private DNS Provider Host Name. A text field will appear on the screen. In that box, type this exact address, dns.8guard.com. Double check the spelling, then tap Save. What this does is route your internet traffic through a secure DNS filter that blocks many advertisements before they even load on your phone. This can reduce pop-up ads in browsers, games, and some applications without installing any third-party ad blocker. Now let's disable Samsung and Google ad personalization settings for even better protection. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you see Google. Open it, then tap on All Services. Scroll down and find the Ads section. Tap to open it. First, select Ad Privacy. Inside this menu, you'll see several tracking features including Ad Topics, App Suggested Ads, Ad Measurement. Open each option one by one and turn everything off. This stops Google from building an advertising profile based on your activity and app usage. After disabling those settings, return to the previous ads menu again. Next, tap Reset Advertising ID. This clears your old advertising profile and creates a fresh ID. Right after that, choose Delete Advertising ID and confirm the action. This is one of the best privacy features available on Android in 2026 because it prevents apps from tracking you using a unique advertising identifier. And just like that, your Samsung Galaxy phone is now set up to block many pop-up ads, reduce tracking, and improve overall privacy. You don't need to install extra apps, root your phone, or change complicated settings. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and comment below which Galaxy phone you're using in 2026.